Mu mwaka ogwa 2009 ekikolebwa ng'olukulu lwayise etteeka eriwera obuveera obuli wansi wa microns 30 wabula welutuukidde olwaleero ng'okussa mu nkola etteeka lino bikyali bya mpuna anti gavumenti ekyalemereddwa okulikwasiza lyonna awamu. Olunaku olwaleero akakiiko ka Palamenti akavunaanyizibwa ku butonde bw'ensi kasinkanye abasuubuzi abali mu kukola plastics awamu ne baminisita ab'enjawulo ku nsonga z'obuveera. Abasuubuzi baddukira mu kakiiko kano ne beemulugunya ku nteekateeka y'okuggalawo amakampuni gaabwe nga baagala gavumenti eveeyo etangaze ku nsonga eno. Era minisita w'ensonga z'Ekalamoja John Byabagambi yabadde asongeddwamu olunwe nga bw'ali nti yasibukako kanaaluzaalo ono. Minisita Byabagambi yeesambaze okuba n'obuyinza oba enteekateeka ey'okuggala amakolero gonna agakola obuveera.
Me as a minister, even if I'm chairing a committee of cabinet, I have got no powers at all to close any factory in Uganda. I don't have those powers at all. Therefore, I'm very much amazed that somebody can say that we took a decision to close all factories. Under what law and under what powers? That one I don't know.
Akulira omukago ogutaba abakozi ba plastics n'okumuddamu Moses Ategeka Brown akaatiriza nga minisita bwe yabasuubiza okubaggala wabula wakati mu kukaatiriza ensonga eno minisita Byabagambi avudde mu mbeera era minisita w'ebyobusuubuzi Amelia Kyambadde yamukakkanyiza.
And said, I am here to tell you that I'm starting by closing these factories phase after phase. And he told us he's going to start with the plastics directly. He was not categorically discriminating of which plastics, but this time he particularly zeroed on the same plastics that we are recycling.
In Parliament for 20 years, and I'm not a drunkard that I drink during the proceedings. But my dear friend, I think it is improper.
I, as an individual, one person, can amend the law and close the factories, amend the law. I hope you have got education. Were you educated in school? Do you have anything about the law? No.
Onera mu bibuuzo ebadde bimubuuzibwa ssente w'akakiiko kano obwedda ajuliza ensinkano z'abaminisita.
Where they are not satisfied, they would even come back, and finally we give the paper to cabinet for the cabinet to decide. Therefore, Mr. Chairman, I'm not acting on my own. I have given you the letter. I have a directive from cabinet, and that's the arm of the executive. All laws are initiated, most of the laws are initiated from there. And if the cabinet feels that really the law is not doing its work, or they are not adhering to the law of what they are supposed to do, then they can say, let us amend the law.
Minisita w'ebyobusuubuzi amakampuni n'ebibiina by'obwegassi Amelia Kyambadde ye awadde ku basibidde nga minisita w'ebyobusuubuzi omuli okussa mu nkola etteeka eryayisibwa erikwata ku buveera.
UNBS is already undertaking market and industrial surveillance to ensure plastic carrier bags are certified according to the national standards. Minister of Trade and NEMA are developing the program to audit and license recycling facilities in accordance with this. The ministry will closely monitor industries to increase investments in plastic waste recycling so that they reduce on the waste, the plastic waste.
Isa Chigongo Kura Channel 44 Oregulo.